Hello and welcome to day 52 of the N10 series. We all love testimonials, don't we? Now, when we get testimonials from our clients, we have to showcase it to the world in the right way so that we can get more and more business. We missed showcasing our testimonials to the world when we started because we didn't know social media was a thing of a business. But now we have learned it the hard way. You don't do this mistake. As soon as you get your testimonials, showcase it to the world so people come to you and give business to you. So let's see how we can automate this entire process and streamline sharing our testimonials to the world on social media easily. Let's get started. So to begin, let me create form here and a new form submission. Let's call this as testimonial collection. Add form, client name, testimonial, required field, and client image, which will be file. Single file, required field. So I'm going to execute this step. And let's call this as Ritesh. Testimonial, loving what ABCD is doing and learning a lot. So much, right? A lot of you keep sharing your loves. Thank you so much for that. And let me add an image. I'm going to add one of my own image and click on submit. Right, let's view this image and there you go. Right, so this is in binary format right now. Okay, what we need is URL, and for that we'll go to ImageBB, create an account. It's free to use. Almost there. Go to home page, sign in. So I've got a confirmation activation email, so I'm going to use that. I'm in, and then let's click here and go to APIs and get API key. Copy this, and this is where we have to send the file. So let's use HTTP node, and this should be post with this URL. And we have to send body, and this has to be form data, and this is going to be key, and whatever API key we've got that we have to copy, let's paste it here. And we need one more, and this time it is going to be in binary file, and name can be anything, image, but what we'll need is this client image. Okay, let's click on execute step, and we've got this. So this is the URL. Let's quickly open and check if that's working fine, and there you go. Right, so we've got the client name, the client testimonial, and the client image. Now we are going to use something called CreateMate, which will help us create the testimonial in a much nice way. So I'm going to create an account. So let's go to API integration, click on get started. It will show us a few things. Create template, it says. So let's go here, and we can click on plus, and we can search for social media. And let's see if we have anything that matches. Featured. Let's scroll down. Yeah, let's use this one and click on create template. Now you can have 1:1 square, 6:4 landscape, or 4:5 vertical. Let's go with 1:1 for now. Create template. Right, You can adjust the things from here, okay, like all the elements and so on and so forth. You can also adjust the let me just hide this. You can also adjust the font, all the other properties, like what should be the template, MP4 and so on and so forth, right? You can also change the color from here, and the font can be changed from yeah. So if you select the font, then so I quickly play this and show you how this looks like, and that's how it'll look. Right, so let's click on use template, and we have API integration here. Just click on that, copy this curl, come back to N8N, and we're going to call HTTP again, import curl, and paste this, right? Import it, and it'll add everything, the URL, the authorization key, right? Everything will be added. Now what we are going to do is we're going to this expression here, expand, and here we are going to change the name which we had got in the first place, client name. This is the testimonial that we've got, so I'm going to put that over here. And we also have to include one more thing which has got missed while we copied this one. Okay, I don't know why, but it should be this way. So remove this comma and paste it. So picture source should also be added, and picture source is the URL that we've got from here. Okay, and we'll have to remove this one. Now let's copy this entire thing and use JSON and put the JSON directly over here. Okay, let's execute step, and this is ready. It generally takes some time, so let's go back and let's check if this is ready. And you can see it's actually getting, not this one, sorry. And let's check it over here, and for that let's go here, API log, and you can see here, right? So 1 minute ago this has got created. Now let's add a wait, because it may take some time, let's say 1 or 2 minutes, and now we can download it. And for that again we'll use HTTP get, but for that we'll have to run this. And once that's done, let's execute this one with URL being this. Let's click on execute step and let's view this. Yay. Now I can share this directly on social media, right? But for now, I'm just going to put it in Google Sheets, where the marketing team can use it wherever they need, right? And that's how you can make the testimonial look even more nicer. Now you might ask a question like, why do I go to form and fill this form just to create this, right? You don't have to do this. You can directly connect your Google business account on N8N, which will fetch the reviews for you, and then you can run this workflow, right? And for that you will have to go to Google Cloud Console, create a project, link your Google business account, create the client ID, client secret, just like how we did for Google Docs, Google Drive in one of the previous videos. So please do give it a try, and if you are stuck, please reach out to us and we will help you. I hope you don't do the same mistake that we have done, and wherever you are getting testimonials, please share it to the world so that your business can grow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.